So if I'm rotating and finding a reference angle for 15 degrees, first thing you need to do is you need to grab the yellow dot and rotate 15 degrees. So just wait till you get 15 degrees, and then it wants you to figure out the reference angle. Now, a reference angle is basically how far you are from the x-axis. So in this case, it's pretty obvious you're 15 degrees from the x-axis. You click try, and once you're correct, it'll let you submit. There is no way you miss these. It literally will let you guess and try over and over, but I'll show you one more just to give you the idea of how they work. Okay, this one is going to be a little bit more complicated because I've got to go 237 degrees. For starters, I know that's 180 is straight across. 237, you can figure out about where it is. So there's 237. And then your reference angle is how far you are from the x-axis. In other words, it's this angle right here. So I can look at it and see I'm about 60 degrees, it looks like. The way you find it exactly is you can, let's just show you. If I do 60 and I try it, it's going to say, how far is 267 from 180? It's going to give you a hint. So what I can do now is I can subtract 237 minus 180 to give you an idea that that's exactly 57 degrees. And submit your answer. Really, these, with the help it gives you, if you're willing to try them, you should be able to get them right. And it's designed to help prepare you for the next section. Because in the next section, you're going to be finding the coterminal angle, the reference angle, and the quadrant. So for starters, if I have something like negative 660, I need to start by finding the coterminal angle. That's between 0 and 360. So I need to add a rotation of the circle. So I'm going to add 360 once. And that's going to give me negative 300. Then negative 300 is still a little small, so I'm going to add 360 again. So negative 300 plus another 360 would be positive 60 degrees. So my coterminal angle between 0 and 360 is 60 degrees. Now, 60-degree angle, I would need to know what quadrant it lies in. So remember my quadrants: 0, 180, 90, like that. So 60 degrees would be about like that. So it's quadrant 1. With a reference angle of how many degrees? Well, how far am I from the x-axis? And the answer is I am 60 degrees from the x-axis. So that's how you go through that coterminal, quadrant 1, reference of 60. We'll try one more if there's time. Okay, this one, negative 158. Let me clear off what we already have there. So negative 158, first step is to add 360 to try to get my coterminal angle. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up our calculator maybe to do this. So negative 158 plus 360. Didn't even have to use DeltaMath to get that. It's 202. So that's your coterminal angle. Figure out what quadrants it's in. Remember, you can make your graph. If you know 180 is straight across, another 90 degrees would be way down there. 202 would be just a little bit past 180, probably no more than that. So it's in quadrant 3. And reference angle, I would need to figure out how far 202 is from 180. So 202 minus 180 lets me know that that's about 22 degrees away. And then that should give you your correct answer. If you have any questions, please let me know.